Hey budget gardeners, Vita Loca here. Join me today as we plant up the front of this flower bed with some beautiful annuals. So let's go. In a recent video, we did some maintenance work to this bed, which included deadheading the daylilies and also cutting back some of the mums. If you haven't seen that video, I'll make sure to add a link above so you can check that video out. Today is all about planting flowers. I'm so excited. I now have irrigation in this bed, which will help these flowers thrive. So we are going to get planting. I hope you're excited just like I am. We have some beautiful annuals here that I started from seed during the winter. We have some pink Vinca. There's also Dusty Miller. And then we have white Vinca. You know how much I love to garden with patterns. What I did was I placed an alternating white and pink Vinca in the front row, and then I placed the Dusty Millers behind each of the pink Vincas. So let's go ahead and start planting in this area. We're going to go ahead and plant one of the Dusty Millers. I want to point out that it does need to have the roots loosened a little bit because it's been in the pot for quite a while. And as I'm digging, I can see that I have an irrigation line right here. I'm going to plant just in front of it. I'm going to put some slow release fertilizer. One thing to point out about Dusty Millers are that they do like to be cut back every so often. It helps them branch out. So after a few weeks, I will definitely be coming in and cutting them back. Like this one here, I could cut it right there if I want, but I'm going to wait till it gets a little bit bigger and then I will definitely cut it back some. Let's go ahead and plant a Vinca. And the irrigation line is right there. So I'm going to plant right behind it. All of these plants will definitely get much bigger and fill up this space. The roots on this aren't too bad. And let's do a white one together. I have a lot of planting to do. Let me finish up with all these plants and then I will give you a nice tour afterwards. And just like that, boom, we are done. That was a very easy yet very fulfilling project. I feel great. I think this is going to really, really look nice come middle of summer. It is still not too late to be planting annuals. If you have them, get them in the ground. If you don't have them, they're probably marked down in a lot of the stores right now. You can still make a lot of impact in your yard. I planted all of these Vinca in Dusty Miller from seed. So this was definitely a very low budget project for me. And I think the colors along with the yellow Stella D'Oro daylilies looks wonderful. So satisfying. I am in love with how this looks. I can't wait to show you in the future when we do some garden tours how this is all getting bigger and more lush. I hope you're having a great day, and until the next video, make it a great day with gardening.